Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing my second book review on what is possibly the best book that I've ever read, and that is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Now, this book was published in 1936 and has since sold over 30 million copies worldwide, and for a very good reason. It's packed with practical advice on communication, relationships, and leadership that's all still very relevant in today's times. So let's break it down section by section. The book is divided into 4 parts. The first part is about fundamental techniques in handling people. This is obviously the basics in our relationships. The 3 main points are: don't criticize, condemn, or complain; give honest and sincere appreciation at all times; and most importantly, arouse the other person an eager want. This all sounds very simple, but it's a complete game changer once we start applying this and we realize how much naturally our conversations flow, both from a business and personal point of view. Now, the second part of the book was 6 ways in how to make people like you. This is something that we're obviously always striving to do. We want to be likable. And the 6 strategies that Carnegie gives us are: be genuinely interested in other people, smile, remember and use people's names when talking to them, be a good listener and encourage others to talk about themselves, talk in terms of the other person's interests, and most importantly, make them feel important and do it sincerely. For me, this section was the real eye-opener. It told me that likability isn't just about your charm, it's about genuine care and attention, and this in turn actually will give you more charm. So part 3 was about winning people to your way of thinking. This is where Carnegie really gets into your personal influence. Some of the key strategies that he talks about include avoiding arguments at all costs, showing respect for the other person's opinions. Whenever you are wrong, admit it quickly. Always start conversations in a friendly way, and let the other person feel that your idea was actually theirs. This is another highlight for me. Persuasion doesn't have to be pushy. When we use these principles correctly, we'll naturally guide people towards agreeing with us without creating any tension. This is a big plus. The 4th and final part of the book was all about leadership, how to be a better leader. And Carnegie teaches us how to inspire change without creating resentment. He suggests that when people make improvements, give them praise on even the smallest improvement. Give other people a fine reputation to live up to, and they often will. Correct mistakes indirectly, and always encourage rather than discourage people. It's this leadership which is rooted in positivity and influence and not control that works. Honestly, this section alone can change with how you deal people in both work and in your personal life. So in conclusion, we need to ask ourselves, why does this book still matter? Why do so many people recommend it? It's because no matter how much technology changes with AI and all of this, people don't change. Relationships are still at the core of both our personal and professional success. How to Win Friends and Influence People reminds us that influence isn't about manipulation. It's about respect, empathy, and authentic communication. So my final verdict: this is possibly the best book I've ever read. And I would definitely recommend it to you and anyone who wants to improve their people skills. And I think we can all do this. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe for more book reviews and financial planning videos, and let me know in the comments, what book would you like me to cover next?